Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had one of those days where your muscles feel like they've been through a war? Whether from hitting the gym too hard, sitting at your desk all day, or just life throwing you a curveball, muscle pain and inflammation can be a real buzzkill. But what if I told you there's a natural remedy that can give you instant relief? No pills, no chemicals, just something you can make at home. Stick around because today I'm sharing the #1 natural remedy for muscle pain and inflammation that works. Before we dive in, let me ask you, have you ever wondered why some remedies work better than others? It's all about targeting the root cause of your pain. Muscle pain and inflammation are often caused by oxidative stress and poor circulation. That's where this powerful natural remedy comes in. Meet your new best friend, Turmeric Ginger Golden Milk. This ancient Ayurvedic remedy is packed with anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. And the best part? You can make it in under 5 minutes. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of your favorite milk, dairy or plant-based, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or fresh turmeric if you have it, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger or ginger powder, a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb the turmeric, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Now let's make it. Heat your milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Don't let it boil. Add the turmeric, ginger and black pepper. Whisk it together for 2 to 3 minutes until warm and fragrant. Strain it into your favorite mug, add a little honey, and enjoy. Not only does this taste amazing, but the combination of turmeric and ginger works like magic to reduce inflammation and ease muscle pain. Turmeric contains curcumine, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound, while ginger improves circulation and helps relax sore muscles. It's like a warm hug for your body. Now here's the kicker. This remedy isn't just for muscle pain. It's also great for joint pain, headaches, and even boosting your immune system. Plus, it's 100% natural and has 0 side effects, unlike some over-the-counter meds. So what are you waiting for? Try this remedy and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. And if you love this natural approach to health, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.